This is section 4.4, the point slope form. In this section, we're going to focus on the following equation. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x sub 1. And this is what we're going to use, this formula is what we're going to use to solve all the problems in this section. So this formula is called the point slope form. So we have two examples. We want to write the equation of the line with the given information and write your final answer in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, remember, was y equals to mx plus b. So that was slope-intercept form. So we would like our final answer to be in this form. There are a few types of problems. The first type would be where you're given a point on the line and we're given the slope, and from this information we have to write the equation of the line. So all we have to do is we use this formula and you're going to input the slope for m, and then the point that's given will go in for x1 and y1. So we always input the point for x1, y1. We do not use x and y. Those stay in the equation. If you want, you can label x1, y1 so you know where to substitute. Alright, so here's my formula. Be careful because we have minus, and then our coordinates are also negative. So when we input, we're going to write y minus, and then y sub 1 is negative 5 equals 7 over 2 times x minus x sub 1 is negative 2, so minus 2. And I know that I can simplify to y plus 5 equal to 7 over 2 x plus 2. And then this is basically our answer, but we have to put it in slope-intercept form. So essentially you have to do two things. Distribute 7 over 2 and subtract 5. Let's distribute first. Okay, now this is 2 over 1. 7 over 2 times 2 over 1. I can reduce the 2, and so we're just left with 7. Subtract 5 from both sides, and that will give us our final answer. Y equals 7 over 2x plus 2. This is now in slope-intercept form. Okay, next example. This one's slightly different. We have 2 points, no slope. So we have to find the slope first and then follow the same steps as example A. So remember the formula for slope. We have m equals 1 minus a minus 4 over 3 minus 4. I know that that simplifies into 1 plus 4 over 3 plus 4, which gives me 5 over 7. That's our slope. Now, what we need to do is go back to point slope form and input the slope, 5 over 7, and we need to input x1, y1. Which point do you pick? It doesn't matter. You can pick either point. You will get the same answer. I'm going to choose 3, 1 and use that point. You can also choose, like I said, negative 4, negative 4. You will get the same answer. So we have, let me label. I'm choosing this to be my x1, y1, and we have our slope right here. Let's input into point slope form. We have y minus 1 equals to 5 over 7 x minus 3. Again, this is your answer, but we need to distribute 5 over 7 and we need to add 1 to both sides. So let's go ahead and do that. Y minus 1 equals 5 over 7x minus, remember this is 3 over 1. You are multiplying fractions. 5 times 3, 7 times 1. 15 over 7. Next, we need to add 1. You know, 1 is the same as 1 over 1. And in order to combine, I need to have a common denominator, which I know is 7. So you multiply here by 7 over 7, which gives us y equals 5 over 7x minus 15 over 7 plus 7 over 7. And now just find minus 15 plus 7, and that'll give us our final answer. We have y equals 5 over 7x minus 8 over 7, and that's now complete. That's our final answer. It's also in slope-intercept form.